Hello students, how are you today? I hope you are all fine. So today we have new topic about interdependence among living things. Again, interdependence among living things. Okay, so before we will start, let's read our vocabulary first, okay? So I want you to listen to me and after we will read it all together. Do you understand? Okay, so please listen. Protection, carbon dioxide, oxygen, respiration, pollinate, photosynthesis, disperse. Okay, this time I want you to repeat after me. Say protection. Next, carbon dioxide. Okay, next, oxygen. Next, respiration. Okay, next, pollinate. Photosynthesis. And the last one is disperse. Okay, very good. So, we will start with some animals depend on plants. Okay, again, some animals depend on plants such as shelter and protection. Okay, so look at the picture. Since monkeys live in trees, so they depend on plants, okay, for shelter and protection. Okay, so as what you can see on the screen, some animals raise their young in trees. Okay, again, some animals raise their young in trees. Okay, so most birds do so by building nests on trees. Okay, so look at the picture. Okay, so birds do so by building nests. Okay, so the next one, animals also depend on plants for oxygen. Okay, so animals and humans depend on plants for oxygen. Okay, so plants also need human and animals for carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is the interdependence between plants and animals for gases. Okay, so next one is a bee. Look at the picture, please. Okay, so a bee pollinating a flower. Again, a bee pollinating a flower. Okay, so some plants depend on animals such as bees, insects, and birds to pollinate their flower. Okay, again, to pollinate their flower. Okay. So the next, the bird eating a papaya. Okay, so next one is a bird eating a papaya. So plants also depend on animals to disperse their seeds. Okay, so that the seeds of, for example, papaya will fall down on the ground and it will grow. Okay, again, so a bird eating a papaya. So plants also depend on animals to disperse their seeds. Okay, so I have here question. I will ask, why some plants depend on animals? So your answer is some plants depend because, let's try this one. Why some plants depend on animals? What is your answer? Some plants depend on animals to, look at the picture, disperse their seeds. Okay, so next, why some plants depend on animals? Okay, so look at the picture. Okay, so some plants depend on animals to pollinate their flower. Okay, so I have here practice for you. So choose A, B, or C. So animals also depend on plants for. Okay, so look at the picture. What is your answer? Oxygen. Very good. Okay, so animals also depend on plants for oxygen. Okay, so next, look at the picture. Some animals depend on plants such as, what is your answer? Letter C, shelter and protection. Okay, very good. So it's your activity time. I want you to answer this one on your notebook, okay? You have to answer 1, 2, 5. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you learned something from our lesson. Thank you and goodbye.